I will tell you how to add Google service to Huawei phones without Google Play Store service. Enter the browser to download the Google Installer application. Search for TTA Store. Download the application that can be installed on Android version 6 to 10 phones. Click on Download. If there is no install button, follow the instructions in the video. Now, TTA application has been installed to install Google service. You need to check your phone's Android version first. Your phone's Android version is 6.0.1. Select your phone's Android version here. My phone is Android 6 version. All applications required for Google service must be installed. After installing, you must give full permission to those applications. Enter the permission and enable the Allow or buttons. After full permission, turn off the phone and turn it on again. Open a Gmail account on Google Play Store and you can start using it. Let's continue to learn how to open a Gmail account. Okay, Google Play service has been installed on Huawei phones without Google Play service. If you get any knowledge after watching this video, please like and subscribe to my ITNet channel. Thank you for watching.